we will DIY a paper small bag. This is a small paper bag. So if we have to make small paper bag, we need a paper. I'm using here colorful paper. You can use white paper also. And then we have to cut it square. So firstly let's cut it. So I have cut a square. Now we have to fold it like this. Then we have to fold it like this. Like this. Then we have to fold it in half. Like this. Now from like this half, like this. Then we have to do like this, then this, and fold it like this. Like this. We will fold like this from the last. Then we will fold it like this. Like this we have to fold. Then we have to fold from here. Then this one, like this. Then we have to open like this. From there, here, we will fold it under. So let's firstly fold it like this. Now we have to do this from here also. Firstly we have to fold like this. Then from here, like this. Then we have to fold from here. We have to again open it and put it under here. Like this. This is here. Now we will pin it like this. Like this. Then you can put it in you want. This is a gift bag. You can put so many things in it. Like this. Then we have to take any type of sticker. I am taking this foam sticker. Then I will take a glue and take one of them foam sticker. Then this is a sticker. Then you have to put a little bit glue on it like this in the video. Then you have to stick it under here. Stick it properly. Then you can close it like this. So like this, our paper bag is ready. So if you can't stick it with this one, sticker, mine is not working. This one sticker, I think it is expired. Now you can take any type of paper and fold it like this. And take glue and take the foam sticker and stick it like this. This will look more beautiful. Now our paper bag is small. Now our cute small paper bag is ready. So that is our craft. Now bye bye. We will meet at the next video.